Hello everyone, today I show you how to add two pictures like this together with the book. So how to add, yeah. So when you open Photoshop, it will show like this. Then you go to the picture that you want to create, and you have the book. Now the book is not HD, so you add another picture into it, place embedded. So if you want to select this, oh, gonna resize this, gonna flip this clockwise like this. I'm gonna make it small a little bit, small a little bit, and then I go to edit, transform, wave, yeah, and then you gonna wave it, fix to the book, just pull it, just pull it, yeah, and this like this. Because the book is not HD, so the picture is not clear. I just make you guys how to do it, just show you and what I learned too. Yeah, like this. It's not. It's much look better. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you the next video.